Thank you, Hatise. Thank you. I was saying hi to Andy and not even realized that the freaking things was not working at all. Thank you so much. Appreciate. How are you guys? Everything good? I think it was like 5 minutes I was speaking by myself there. No one was listening to me. No one was listening to me. Market bouncing nicely there. Wow, look at that. How can you do something like this? Super half, 78. So interesting. Yeah, no. I was speaking with you, my friend. Speaking with you. These range bars are moving so fast. We're moving to the highs of the day. So interesting. And nothing else. Honestly, I'm evaluating step by step to go back to mechanical strategy. Very mechanical way, and trade very simple, and that's all. And drop this discretionary. Discretionary maybe at 5-10%, but not at deposit 80% or 70%. Looking to do something more like that. Yeah, the simpler the better. I agree. Sei tornato? No, not yet. I'm looking. Sto guardando. It's very difficult to use the this range bar, the 24 ticks, the 6 points, because market moves so fast. Like for example, this happened in what? 31.9, 33. Like literally 2 seconds reaction you have to have here. So very difficult to really use this kind of trading at this time of the day, at least. Maybe later, yes. Market slightly slower, but probably we have to leave it there for the moment. But good morning, Mufti. Morning, guys. Market pushing right now. Opening print level is not here, it's much lower. Somewhere here. This is gonna remove it. No, this is the of the day. Yeah, this is the VWAP of the day. This is the VWAP of the New York session. Morning, sir. Morning. Morning, everybody. Market just sold off during the night, and right now it's bouncing strongly. Coming there to retest the previous highs here, and view up as well. Wow, that's so impossible. That's so impossible, guys, with the 24 points range here. So impossible. Wow. I would have not getting stopped out. By the way, I use this. What? It's not copy trading. Why is copy trading? I didn't want to copy. Oh, I forgot to change the account. Okay, let's go back to 1 minute. That's impossible right now. I forgot to change the account. I thought I selected account 73. Instead, no, I still had okay, these accounts will be blown today, guys. I literally forgot to select account. I literally forgot to select the account. And that was not anyway, that was not even a trade for me. What is it? That was not even a trade for me. This one I took. It's loading. This was I took here. Maybe this one. I mean, well, they stopped after that anyway. So, yeah. Let's go back to reality. I didn't want to trade account 74. I messed up there. Hello, Matt. Good morning. I didn't want to trade the freaking account and I messed it up. It's time to spend more money, I guess. Low of the day here. High of the day. I totally messed up there. Market's coming back again. Opening print level here. This could have been a short. I realize it now, guys. This could have been a short. Taking highs, view up. After taking the lows as well. This was a short. But I was focused on the other things. I would have not seen it, I think. Yeah, that would have been a short. Check out this push. All these buyers tempted. I'm gonna leave it there. I missed my setup because I was doing stupid shit. I deserve this. I really deserve this. What the heck am I doing? And on a PA, I could have tested it on the evaluations, but I decided to take a trade on the PA. What a dumb decision. That's okay. The accounts were almost blown up anyway. How are you guys? My God, this was a beautiful short here. This is a beautiful short. It's okay. Shorts are coming, guys. Shorts are coming there. All the short, Dimi, it says. I think it's short there, yeah. Short. It looks like for the moment very shorty day. Here I messed up, guys. I totally messed up. I thought I selected the other account. I messed up with everything there, and it copy traded it. Now the two accounts are almost ready to blow up. I think $200 I have. So I'm gonna take one trade, and if it's red, it's gonna blow up. If it's green, I have one trade more tomorrow. Let's see, now I'm finding some bounce. Who's looking for short? Who's looking for long there? What is your bias there? What's their bias? Let's see, let's ask. Start a poll. Long or short? Long. Short. The poll is there. The poll is there. You can vote. You get clapped? Yeah. Welcome to the team, Mufti. The clapping team. We like to be clapped. The market is our enemy. And somehow we like to come back here every day and get destroyed mentally. And then I opened Reddit, started trading 4 months ago. Just this year, 71.3% of profits. My story. Who's gonna tell him? Put so much. Hello, Paul. Paul is back. I blew up my accounts in London. We're gonna blow up mine right now, so we can be together on this. Look at this choppiness. Coming to the lows. People vote, 6 people voted there. I'm gonna say short as well. I'm gonna say short as well. The moment the majority said short, so I should buy. If 90% of people lose this money, I should buy. End of the day, I think. Hello, Fayaz. End of the day, I think it's the best. Because if intraday had $500 more of drawdown, I would have told you also intraday is fine if you're good with risk management. But because they have the same drawdown available, then I will tell you just go with end of the day. End of the day makes more sense. See you tomorrow, Mufti. Have a good one. Thank you for coming and say hi. Appreciate it. Appreciate it a lot. Here suffering. Wait, I'm here for the next 40 minutes to try to take the second trade. If I was chill, I could have taken a good trade, but I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. Now it's bouncing there. It's bouncing this market. It's most of the people are wrong. Maybe you're wrong as well, guys. This thing is gonna continue higher. What are you gonna do if this is gonna continue higher? Paul, what did you ask there? It's probably chopped, so both long and short will be clapped. I got clapped, yes. How many contracts you use on evolution and PA? I usually go for micros. Depending, I go for $350, $400 loss. That's usually what I do. That's usually what I do, my friend. So depending on the loss, I just change the number of contracts to not go over and handle the volatility there is in that moment. For example, taking a short here, risking the highs, $240 with 2 micros. Probably I will go with 3 micros and make it $364 and aim for the lows, $500, $600. That would have been a perfect trade. But because I'm dumb, checking things at the one I should be focused on trading, Amsa the great, Amsa the stupid. That's okay. You're welcome. Welcome. How much do you risk per trade, Timmy? How much do you risk per trade? Wait, I like that point. Hattie said there is yet no confirmation yet. I would love to see this thing coming lower here or trading above the view up. Yeah, I get your point on that, Hattie, and I think it's a great thing to do. Let's see if it fakes out people here. But yes, I'm not the king. I am not anymore. A year ago, I was requesting payouts every time. Every month there was something. Now, Amsa is weak. Amsa is weak. Love, yeah, heart is good. I put my heart in it. Oh. Now it's looking coming. It's coming to the low side again. ES as well is weak. ES is weak there. Let's see if it wants to break lower or break higher. If it breaks higher and then gives a nice candle below the opening print level here, I can take the short. I will not say the same for the short, the long side, because I don't like the higher time frame on the higher side. But if it breaks here, then come back, I will take the short. Not we wait. Buyer there, little bit of buyers. That seems nothing's holding. Let's see. Come on, can you push above this 550? Maybe you can even grab this little high. Little high here, you can grab it. Yeah, we're getting clapped in this period. And so many people they are, to be honest. Trying to pass in one day. It's possible. Difficult with this price action. Damn Tuesday, you're right, it's Tuesday. You're right, it's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. You know what, I should make tacos tonight. Maybe I should make tacos tonight. Maybe I should make tacos. Oh. I knew that was better to short today, but unfortunately I did a mistake of that trade, the first trade. Ramen, oh ramen is a good idea. I love ramen. All right, you know it that I love ramen here. I want to go to Japan this year, guys. I want to go to Japan. Ora, good shawarma is good too. I mean, I love food in general, guys. I would like to create content related to my life without trading at all. Like my food, my trip, my life in general, you know. I would like to do that. I don't know what is stopping me, but and don't create content about trading that. But it's not gonna be in this channel because it will be a mix of shit. Faber, the best scalper. Is that Italian? Look at that. Pushing right now there. That can be a long. For some people there. Can be a long. That can be a long. A lot of fake outs to the downside. Use deep chart. Yeah, I know who is then. Yeah. Maybe I should use deep chart as well. Become his student. Nice here. A lot of big fake out there, but but I don't have any place to, and it did not even grab. It grabbed these ones, didn't grab others, but still this is long right now. Buyers already got stopped out here, so doesn't make sense for me to short there. Oh. The volume profile. So something like here, that I don't have it enabled right now. Wait, it's loading. Loading right now. Nothing in between. Many orders here and here. Look how it's correcting. Being the last 2 minutes of the day, of the hour. This is the last 2 minutes of the hour. Oh. So much choppy. So much choppy there. Literally nothing interesting. Market is boring as hell, guys. Boring as hell, super choppy. Look at these candles. Look how they are very wicky, up and down very fast. Because of Asia and London, the Asian and London session were definitely weak. Very weak. Oh. Even this little long where everyone probably went long, many people went long with the idea of the market reversing. Now again, they are cooked. I didn't sleep well yesterday. I don't know if I was sick or not. Yo, Bogdan. Hola. ¿Qué tal? Muy bien, mi hermano. ¿Todo bien? ¿Qué pasa la vida? Una vida muy difícil. Esto trading es una locura. I started learning Spanish and Duolingo. Let's go. I have a confirmation now, but the market looks weird. Market looks shit as hell. What is your risk reward, Hadise? La vida muy loca con el trading, sí, es muy loca. Es una vida muy estresante, no quiero esto. Quiero una vida relajante, a la playa, con mi dinero, It's cold, man. It's freaking cold. But in 1 month, I will be in Bali, guys. Yeah, please send. I mean, there is, I think. It's just me that I'm closing in the house. Just send it. In 1 month, I'm in Bali. Ah, it's gonna be so good. Ah, it's gonna be so good, guys. Bali life in 1 month. So freaking. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. Yes. Yes, guys. For the people that are new, I'm not a full-time trader. I wish that's my goal, but I work full-time. What's the plan? I'm looking for a fake out above and closure below a certain level that shows me sellers are back, and then I will take the short. For the moment, I'm short bias. I got a shitty trade before because I messed up. I didn't want to take it with my PAs, at least not with both of them. Instead, I messed up. I forgot to select the account, and I got long and I got stopped out. 1 to 2, 1.2. Okay, a little bit over 1. I like that. Like it. So your win rate has to be there, at least around 50%. What you're working? I work in between the developer department and the support department of Apex. And I work full remote. That's the beauty of it. Full remote. Best things ever. It's not working. Not right now. But after the live stream, I go back to work. Checking if people have problems. He owns up. I wish, man. I wish, man, I had that idea of creating a company like Apex and the money for it. I wish I would be like millionaire with my yacht in the Mediterranean Sea right now. No, Mediterranean is too cold. In the Caribbean Sea. No, not even working anymore. If I own Apex, I would be just let many people managing it, and just get my share every month of the profit. But no, guys, I'm like 99.999% of the people around the world. I want to work for myself one day, but I'm always conflicted about what to do exactly. Super free accounts for all every day. I wish that as well. I have to ask, to be honest, to provide me some free coupons. It's not just because I work for Apex. It's not that the reason, because I'm an affiliate. So I would like to ask them some affiliates so we can do some dark races. You are the undercover boss. Yeah, I wish I was Darrell, Martin Darrell, but in disguise. Now I changed look. I'm here, making bank, trading in front of 7 people. Yeah, these prop firms became big, guys. Became really big. When I started in Apex, we were a little team, and now it's a huge company. It's a huge company. It's a family, yeah. Inside, we're all family. We all help each other. We have a lot of work. To be honest, really, every time there is problems and outages, we always look to help the customer when it's the problem of the platform. But when it's not the problem of the platform, then it's the user side. So in that case, it does not become our responsibility. I mean, neither in the other one. It's just Apex takes the cost, takes the expense. Yeah, I got. That's my payouts are here. All the payouts you see above as a number, they're on the top. Well, are all payouts from Apex. It's been a while not getting one. And this $26,682, all payouts from Apex, all of them. $7,000 of expense. Make it $100 more because I forgot to $70 more for the PA, but that's it. That's my expense, and I can say I'm profitable. I can say that almost 90,000, 18,000. I am profitable on that side. Just I wish it's been a long time I've not gotten a payout. So I'm very good at keeping my risk low, not buying too many PAs and stuff like that. So I'm still trading. It's been 1 year I'm not getting a payout, but even 1 year did not increase my expense by a lot because I keep my cost low enough. Right now the market is finally pushing. So I'm positive, not as much as I want. I wish there was one more zero there. $260,000 for payout. I wish one day I can tell you that, guys. I'm at $260,000 payout. And I have $40,000 expense. Step by step. And you have to, if you were here a year ago, more than a year ago, I was trading such a simple strategy that if you were watching it, you would be like, nah, that's impossible, that works. But it was working. It was really working. It was really working. Well, how old? Because you have bad risk management, Dimi. You have to have you cannot risk more. You have to think about what is your win rate, and by the win rate and how much is the risk reward, and by just this you have to decide how much you should lose to allow yourself to have at least X number of consecutive losses. I would say, like, if you have a average win rate of 50%, I would be like 10 consecutive losses. You should your account manage to handle them. So if you have $2,000 to drawdown, means that you should risk $200 per trade. 27? You're young, man. You're younger than me. What the hell? Yeah, it's risk management on that side, me. You have to risk low, risk less, risk low, risk less. $27 is super young. I'm 32 and I still feel young. I'm super. 45 is it's all the, I think a lot of changed, guys. I mean, a lot of change in the last years of the conception of being old. I think for me is 30 is the new 20s. 30 is the new 40. What is it? 40. Anyway, 40 is like to have 30 5 years ago. 50 is like 40. And if you keep yourself with good sport, good health, life is good. Life is good. I think the time is like when you get to 70, 60, you're still healthy if you're pushing nicely on your body and taking care of yourself. Yeah, risk less, my friend. You have to risk less. You're risking too much, and you have to give yourself, I think, some max losses on the day. 40 is the new 20. I like that more even. I see so many people because of divorcing is not as before. Starting a new life is not as before. Even I see people at their 40s just enjoying the new life. I like that. The merchant started to trade when he was 18 years old. Oh, you're very young. 3-4 months? I've been trading for 5 years now. And I still suck. But yeah, everyone has their own path. You can be profitable in 1 year and something, or 2 years, or 3 years, or 10 years. Everyone has their own path. So every time I say this, it's not to put you down. Always think about your own path. There was a possible quick short here after taking these highs again, but I would like to see these more buyers stepping in. That's the reason. Yeah, I agree. I have a friend, he's 21 years old, and he started trading and he made a really few payouts. And I was like, man, more payouts than me. And he's trading better than me. And I was like, man, I wish I was 21. You're doing amazing. 21, you are there trading, putting yourself in the game. By 25, you are ahead of everyone around you. Ahead by far. Yeah, less responsibilities, different psychology. Yeah, definitely big difference. Market finally selling without choppiness. Market finally selling without choppiness, guys. Opening print level here, all of it was rejecting it. Oh. Clear mind, no responsibility. Maybe not even single, no boyfriend, no girlfriend. And you're there. I think then you start to have a family, and with a family it becomes more difficult. You need to think about family wise as well. You cannot go there and blow your entire account. And hi, let payout accepted. Let's go. My strategy mostly is finding fake outs. For example, if I'm looking into downside because the market is more bearish than bullish, so I'm looking for a fake out to the upside, a liquidity grab, and then a break to the downside. So if I have to think about an example, I'm thinking maybe this example here. So I would say something like this. This was something like that. My God. It faked out, pushed the buyers there, faked out these highs, faked out like this flag to the downside, and then you can take it as a break of this flag, or if you want to be more aggressive, break of this flag. Oh my God. Or even more aggressive. Oh my God, wait. Break of this flag or break of this flag. You want to be the massive aggressive guy. And then you take a short. To the highs, and you go. Usually I like that something like this happens somewhere here, so you have a target, and if there is no target, then you're gonna risk that it might take the lows and come back. So usually I like it something like here, the breaks happen somewhere here, and then you have the next target. That's mostly it. Bruce Lee! Alaikum salam, Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee. The water, be water. Be water. Guys, the volatility is insane. $400 here. Be water. How to say, did you get your short now that the market is selling? This was a possibility of one possible trade. Usually around 1-to-1 or more than 1-to-1. Let's go back to past one. Yesterday I messed up. My guys. Oh my God. When I think about how I messed up, it just makes me sick. For example, here I think I go. Yeah, here I messed up again. I'm sleeping as hell, guys. In these last days, I messed up so much. There was one here at the opening. Fake of this break. Fake of this flag here. Take these highs. Market more bearish than bullish. No lows were taken. So we had as well a target, and you could have taken this short of this flag. Taking short here, stop out there, target this low. That is 1-to-1, and that's it. Then long side, nothing happens afterwards. That's why I got angry for the short. The short was not existing. And then another one came after. This one is a bit aggressive. Probably something here. This low, taking these lows, bouncing, flag, and you are in your head again these highs, I think. And then don't listen to me. I'm not profitable as I would love. I would say that's my opinion. The rest is follow your path. Because if I was profitable, I would tell you do this and that, but I'm not. When I was doing the 50-minute strategy, it was working, and I was telling people do that. But right now I tell you that's what I think. That's all. Yes, you took the short. Congratulations, Hatice. Good job. I hope it was profitable. Salam. Alaikum salam, everybody. Alaikum salam. Yeah, I mean 26 guys. I think I'm done. I'm not gonna take any trades. Market was choppy. I got picked out here and messed up a lot because the actual only trade for today I believe was here. Was here. Faked out these highs here, fake of this flag, and we coming back lower. But easy to say afterwards, I would say. So leave it there. Guys, thank you so much. 85% there with the Apex. My code is always Hamza, that's my name. For the rest, I wish you the best, guys. And see you tomorrow on the next live stream. Peace and love, guys.